Alright, so we have learned about the colors of the font and the background colors. But right now, what we are doing, we are writing the name of the color. And you might be wondering like, hey, how do I know about that? So basically what we are using here is called the named colors in CSS, which is almost 140, 150-ish colors, which the browsers recognize as a text, like this blue violet, this white, the black, and so on and so forth. And if you want to see the list, then go to MDN. So let me just go here, and here inside of the MDN, you have all of the colors here, right? The name of all of the colors. Another way to find out which color is which is to go to here, right? Inside of the VS Code, and remember I was getting the autocomplete. So if I just get rid of this white and do, if you are not seeing the autocomplete, do control and space, and here you will be able to see autocomplete of all of the colors which we have, basically like the named colors, not all of the colors we have, but the named colors we have, right? So here we have this dark blue or dark cyan or something like that. So yeah, there are a bunch of colors, and let's do dark gray. But what about if you want to customize the colors, right, a bit more? Then how you can do that? In that case, if the color is not a named color, what you can use something like this, and there are a bunch of other things as well, so etc. Okay, so you can use the hexadecimal colors, which has the hex value. Basically, if you go to the MDN as well, so as you can see here, they are saying like RGB hex value, which starts with hash. We will be looking into that in a bit more detail as well. So this is one thing. You can use RGB, and then you can use RGBA colors, you can use HSL colors, HSLA, and so on and so forth. There is another one which I can show you. So if you go to the here, and if you go to the Tailwind CSS, we are not learning about the Tailwind CSS yet, but yeah, just to go here, get started and do something like colors, and here they are using something like a little bit different, which is called OKLCH, okulch. Okay, so this is another coloring system which we have, and you can read about that, and if you like, you can read about the Tailwind CSS as well, which is very, very awesome, and we will definitely cover in some upcoming video. All right, so this is the named colors which we are using, basically the colors which have names. And also, once again, if you do not have the extension which is called CSS colors or something like that, let's go to the extensions, and here this is called the color highlight extension. So please install that so that you can see this different type of colors inside of the code editor a little bit more, because this small box is good, but this is better, I believe. And also inside of VS Code, you have the color picker as well, which we will use and generate some of the colors like the RGB and so on and so forth in the upcoming videos. All right, so this is basically the named colors in CSS, which we are using currently right now.